the scene at Union Station 13 months ago. Panic, confusion, chaos as thousands of people tried to leave and yet found 3 doors barred. These were main doors and they were closed off due to construction. I'm Cristina Howorun outside of court where the City of Toronto is being prosecuted by Toronto Fire for alleged fire code violations by having those doors barred off.
I'm deeply troubled by what I saw in the video. The obstruction, the blocking of exit doors from a public building, any public building, but certainly something like Union Station is very specifically controlled in the fire code. So we will, our team as we speak actually is in the process of conducting that investigation, and we will complete that investigation and take enforcement action under the fire code to the full extent of the law.
Those are the words Toronto's fire chief spoke just a day after what the prosecutor in court described as an ocean of humanity trying to squeeze through 2 doors. Both the City of Toronto and Bodfield, the construction company hired to complete several phases of the Union Station revitalization project, have been charged with failing to maintain a means of egress free of obstruction. In November, Bodfield pleaded guilty and was fined $5,000. But the city is pleading not guilty and could face fines of up to $100,000. At issue, the city says that Bodfield didn't file an area execution plan. Now, that's a plan that would have allowed the city to consult with stakeholders like the Scotiabank Arena to ensure that increased volumes of commuters wouldn't be on site. Like the night in question, where a Mumford & Sons concert let out from the Scotiabank Arena and fans found themselves faced with barred doors. The city says Bodfield didn't file the plan before closing off access to several doors. And today in court, we heard that Bodfield admitted they did not meet all their contractual obligations, something city representatives claimed back in February.
That's at the nub of all of this, that there are plans already in place. The plans were not followed, and that is something that the city has taken great issue with respect to the contractor. And we have said to them that this is unacceptable. This cannot happen. We have plans. How did this happen?
Now, that's what this case is supposed to determine, in part to ensure it doesn't happen again. The trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow.